Prince the producer.
Hey, what's up, besties? It's your girl E.Michelle, and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. If this is your very first time, stop what you're doing, click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. So today's video is very special and near and dear to my heart because I'm going to be featuring some of my friend CJayPlans stickers from H.RaneDesigns. I absolutely love her and I'm so excited for her shop. And this is actually going to be a collab with CJay and ShaysBudget. So if you guys are interested in seeing all the goodness that's going to be inside of here, then stay tuned. All right, you guys, so this is H.RaneDesigns, and let me just zoom you in real quick here. And this is her full kit, and this is the premium matte style. And you guys know I'm a glossy girl, but this got me feeling some type of way about this kit, and I'm loving it. It just feels so good. So yeah, these are the full boxes. And then here are the washi, like the top and bottom washi, and then some flags, and then some icons. And then here are, I call these littles, but I guess people don't call these littles. I guess they're just headers. And then some washi here, which is really super cute. And then we have like your different size boxes, your quarter box, your half box. And some of these have like the little backdrops in there, which I absolutely love that. And then we have our deco and our date covers. Shout out to her for putting date covers on here because y'all know how I feel about that. And then a weekend banner, that's cute. And then this is the functional sheet, and it has your trackers here and your heart checklist and some more of like your little quarter box with the flag on it, day off and happy meal. I think that's cute. And your full box checklist. And then it also comes with washi that has the foil on it. I love that. And then it comes with the foiled icons, and this one happens to be in silver. All right, so let's go ahead and kind of jump right into it. All right, you guys, so of course we are starting out with our Simply Gilded washi, and you guys know I love it so much. And yeah, that was a little bonnet action for you guys. And so I'm just cutting that with the Starbucks card, and then I'm getting everything together. I went into the dates and holidays book from the memory keeping line, and I was going to start putting down those snowflakes as date dots, like with the dates on it, and then I realized, girl, you have a whole date cover thing going on. Why do you need that? Stop it, don't do that. And so I went over to November, and that was the closest one I could find in color to it, so I just went ahead and went for that greenish color. Now I'm taking this washi, which is originally made for an Erin Condren, and I was like, okay, let me try something that I've seen other YouTubers do by cutting a washi down and using it, you know, the way you need to. So I decided to put this at the top of my spread, and then I pulled up that November because I was like, oh, it's really cute, I can do this on the other side, and then stick that November up there at the top. So that's actually what I decided to do, and it blended in so well. Now I don't know how I got out of frame, but it is what it is. And I put down these date covers, and they're so cute. Look, the little snowflakes are already on there. So at this point, I am actually looking for a sticker book, and I thought I had it like on my cart next to me, but then I forgot I left it sitting out by the TV so that I would remember to do a video that I have yet to do. So that is the Christmas book that Happy Planner came out with, and I actually haven't even, like, I kind of flipped through it when I first got it, but I was like, oh, I just want to flip through it with everyone else and see how it is. So anyways, I decided to grab this Black Friday sticker out of there. I thought that was like super cute. And then I also grabbed one of the trees because we're going to be doing our Christmas tree decorations and stuff like that on Sunday. Now I'm just going in with some of the deco from the kit and just, you know, spicing up the spread a little bit. As you guys can see from like the dashboard layout, like right now I'm trying to put the weekend sticker down. I was like, that girl, it's too big, stop it. But as you guys can see from the dashboard layout, it's smaller in terms of like your boxes and stuff, so you just have to kind of be mindful of that. And this is better for me because I'm a functional planner, so this is kind of reminding me of my horizontal, but a little bit more organized. I feel like my thoughts are a little bit more organized with it. I don't know, you guys can let me know what you think about that. But yeah, I actually like using this layout. I wasn't sure about it when I started using it because I was like, oh, how am I gonna be able to decorate? How am I gonna do this? Like, I just felt like I was like out of place with it. And I had fun with the very first spread that I did, but I don't know, it just seemed a little weird. So anyways, back to the spread and off of my soapbox, I went ahead and started laying down some of the, like I already laid the deco down, then I laid down some of the foil deco over there on the side. This is my important box. I just felt like that'd be kind of cute, and I laid down as many foil icons as I could, literally like all the foil icons. I grabbed one of the arrow stickers from my shop because I just thought they would be a cute little addition to it. I knew I was going to draw some of my own arrows, but I thought this would be cute right here. So I love these YouTube stickers that she made, and she has them in 3 different colors. So it has like a silver, a rose gold, and then a gold, and you can order them in whichever one you want. So I was happy that I had the silver ones on deck to go with this spread. And I love that the kit, if you look at the actual kit, it mixes colors of like goldish yellows and silvers and whites and stuff like that. It's like the perfect mix of those colors, so it just went kind of well. And if you can look, my nails actually kind of match. Had no idea that's what we were going for, but it actually, you know, kind of did what it did. So shout out to Chris for getting my nails together. So I decided that I was going to put my dinners up there in that top box, and then I just started writing in everything that I could. Now, the one thing about this is, again, the amount of space that you have to write is a lot different from what we are previously used to. And so because of that, you kind of have to be mindful of your handwriting. And so I'm going to probably not use the Erin Condren pen in this one because it was just a little bit thicker than what I wanted it to be for the space that I had. So I kept going back and forth with whether or not I was getting ready to change the pen out, and I just decided not to. I love how this pen writes, but it's definitely giving me too many vibes of too big, and I know I need to work on my handwriting in this. Again, I am out of frame. Like I said, I don't know, my coffee just hadn't kicked in yet, so I wasn't looking up to see if I was in frame or not. Just kept going about my business and doing extra things. So these are from let me see, Beautiful Brown Girls. I love that little icon. That's the 3 the Hard Way giveaway that's going to be ending. That's me, CJ, and Shay Budgets. All of us are a part of the giveaway. It'll be listed down below, but I wanted to use that sticker because I just thought it was so stinking cute. So now I'm putting down one of my arrows, as I told you guys before. I just love it. And then some emojis from the Coffee Monsters Co. I haven't used some of these in a while. I stay hoarding stickers, y'all. I have got to do better. So my goal for 2019 is to deplete a lot of my sticker inventory and try not to buy any new stickers. So the month of December, I may be buying a whole bunch. That is so backwards and counterproductive, but I want to make sure I have everything I want. So yeah. And then that little girl washing her hair is from Also Paper Co., which I thought was like super stinking cute. And now I'm just going in and kind of writing in some details that I can remember that I need to do because I don't know all the things, and that bills pay, like I didn't know what was going on. Alright, you guys, so here's my completed spread. Let's do a little wiggle so you can see how that foil looks on there. I love, love, love that. And these are all the stickers that I had left from the kit. Using the dashboard layout, I don't have to use as many stickers, but that's okay because that means I'll get more use out of this, and I'll actually be putting these stickers into my mini happy planner because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I have 5 of those left, so I can use those definitely. And I'm really excited about using those. Make sure you guys check out H.RaneDesigns. You are going to love everything. Her quality, like, this was just like butter. I loved it. And make sure you guys check out the rest of the videos. CJ has her video up as well as Shay. Watch them in whatever order you want to, but just make sure you watch them. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Mwah! KK, bye!